Next, a cycle merchant allows 25% discount on the marked price of the cycles and still makes a profit of 20%. If he gains rupees 360 over the sale of one cycle, then the marked price of the cycle in rupees is, means you have to find the selling price of the cycle. Now what is the question? See here, understand the problem first. See, this is the marked price on the cycle. Then he offers a discount of 25%. Then means this is the rate at which he sells. But even by selling at this rate, he earns 20% on the cost price, right? So this gap is 20%, this gap is 25%. But it's also given that he gains on one cycle, he gains 360 rupees, means this gap is 360. So it means, so let's solve. Let the marked price be x, means let this be x. Now he is offering 25% discount. So he is selling at what rate then? 25% discount means selling at 75, right? So 75 upon 100 into x, that is his selling price. Okay. Now this is the selling price. Now this price is SP with 20% profit, means in this case he is earning 20% profit also. So what does it mean? If the cost price is, we call it CP, then 120 into CP upon 100, right? 120% into CP upon 100 equals to this selling price, right? How do you calculate CP and SP and profit? SP equals to CP plus profit, right? And what is given? 20% profit is he is earning. So 120 into CP upon 100 equals to SP. Okay. But what is SP given? 75x upon 100. Okay. So now how will you solve this? Therefore CP equals to 100 gone, and this 120 goes below. So it becomes 75x upon 120. So CP equals to 75x upon 120. You can solve this for 5, but don't solve this. It will be a waste of time. Okay. Now CP you know, 75x upon 120, and selling price you know, he has sold it at 20% profit. Okay. But what is the amount of profit which he has earned? 360. So what is profit? Profit equals to selling price minus cost price, SP minus CP. Now you know both the prices in terms of x. So what is that? This is 75x upon 100. This is 75x upon 100 minus 75x upon 120. This is the cost price, right? That is equal to profit, but profit is 360. So solve for x. 75x common. We get 1 upon 100 minus 1 upon 120. Solve this. 120 here, 100 here. Cross multiply. So it becomes 120 minus 100 upon 120 into 100 into 75x. That is equals to 360. Therefore 360 equals to 75x into 20 upon 120 into 100. Now solve this. 21 the 26 and blah blah blah. You take everything on this side and keep x on one side. So what you get? 360 into 120 into 100. This 120 into 100 goes up, and 75 into 20 comes down. Now solve this. 21 the 26 and 75, you can solve this. You will get rupees 2880. This is x. But what is x? X means marked price, means this price which is marked on this MRP, we call it, which is marked on the product. So that is the required answer. Okay. 2880.